Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have an exciting piece of inventory from one of our favorite European brands. This is a 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO. This particular boat's in the white hull. It's got the white interior and powered with white 300 horsepower Mercury V8 Verados out back. It's one of our favorite running boats. Really great value. Let's climb aboard and check it out. All right, welcome aboard this 2025 320 GTO. Again, this boat's gonna have the white interior. It's one of our favorites, powered with the twin 300 horsepower V8 Verados out back. Got a reboarding ladder there on your starboard corner, and this boat is also equipped with the optional aft shade. Comes off your hardtop here with two poles in the back. One of the unique features of the 320 GTO is the flip down beaches on either side. Got one port and starboard. They actuate super easily via a switch over there on your starboard side. In here, we've got this set up in the dining configuration right now. You can lay this all the way flat in combination with your powered table. Got 3 ratcheting seat backs there to customize your sun pad experience. And then this middle row seat can switch very easily from rear facing to forward facing. Also has a flip up bolster for your passengers to see up over the windshield. Got a wet bar on this boat. Done the optional grill. In here, you've got a nice sink as well as a cutting board. 2 storage drawers in here for your kitchen utensils. In addition to that, we've got fridges on both port and starboard of this wet bar, so lots of storage for drinks and snacks when you're out on the water. Coming up to the helm, this boat's going to be equipped with triple bucket seats as standard. These go forward and back, and all 3 have a nice flip-up bolster. Your captain's going to have a nice central driving position here. Very easy place to drive the boat from with a footrest. Got Mercury digital throttle and shift as standard on this boat. It's also equipped with the Mercury Skyhook, the bow thruster, and then the optional zip wake trim tab system. Great pitch and roll control on this boat. I've got automatic setting as well as one of the best upgrades for the new model year. This boat's gonna have twin Simrad NSS Evos. Great setup for this. On the screen, of course, you're gonna have charts, maps, things like that. Access to your power management, engine controls, all that kind of stuff. You've also got a navigation panel here for your lights, anchor lights, accent lighting, and your horn, wiper, bilge pumps, all that kind of stuff. Very easy access. Your captain's gonna have 2 cup holders over here on the starboard side, a wireless phone charger, and then a small glove box to put some keys and remotes and things like that. Last but not least, here at the helm, you've got a VHF radio mounted down here, so very easy access for that. This boat's got lots of space down below. We've got natural lighting up top, as well as some blinds here on both port and starboard. Great access to your main panel here for the boat with your switching and fuses. You've also got your main audio head unit down here just next to your air conditioning control, right there by the door. Got great seating in here, space for 2 here behind me with reading lights that go from white to red for nighttime use. We've also got a clever head door on this boat. Goes from the stowed position like this, opens up, and then closes your head. When not in use, stows away very easily. It's a nice, neat feature. We've also got some storage back here behind the door, as well as under your sink in your head compartment. This boat's got the optional bow seating pad up here. Great space to lounge. You can also option a bow shade here. That's a forward shade off the hardtop. Up at the front here, we've also equipped this one with the Catapult windlass anchor. It can be accessed under this hatch here. Pop this up. It's a full chain anchor. We've also got a remote control that you can put on a lanyard, control it from up here, as well as some controls back there at the helm. That's been a quick video overview of this in-stock 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO. This boat's in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you have any questions on this boat and want to check it out, give us a call. Check us out at marinemax.com or stop by today to see it in person. Thanks for watching.